Such a strange little lake here in the middle of downtown. Out on the single speed again. And today with me I have the Keiryu Rod Company's Ansel. One of their shortest rods that I know of. It's 10'9". And always remember that if you're traveling with them, put a piece of tape around that rod cap. I just lost mine somewhere in a heavily populated area, and chances are we're not going to get it back. So we're going to poke around a little bit with it today, see if we can find something. Urban tenkara fishing. It's been so long since I used this leader and this rod, I don't even know if this is the right leader, but we're gonna find out here in just a second. This rod's been around a while, so long that I have replaced the Lillian on it with a different piece of string because the old one disintegrated somehow, so it doesn't look like it did when it was brand new. It's really not even that old of a rod, but it's a short one and it does the trick. What I have tied on here is a tiny, like size 18 natural mayfly, and we'll just tap it around over there on the surface. See if we can get a fish to come up. Oh, we got one. Oh, oh, bye. We had one. Oh, we almost had another one. Got it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. They just keep coming off. I guess that's a barbless hook. But they're little green sunfish. So apparently there's something down here. Oh, there's that carp. Oh yeah. That's a good fish for this Ansel. Good fish. Wasn't expecting that, but I seen it there, so I kept flipping my fly at it. Just wasn't expecting to take a waterlogged dry fly. Come here, little buddy. In the net. Oh boy, we're off the hook. That's a beautiful carp right there. I can't believe we got that on the Ansel. Oh. Well, let's get a look at this carp. Oh, easy, easy, friend, easy, easy, easy. What a beauty. Maybe 14, 15 inches. Later, friend. Well, I didn't think it was gonna work, but it was sitting there just sucking on the side of that dock, and I cast this over there and it drifted down quite a bit in the water, and that fish finally took it. Unbelievable. I never thought I'd catch carp on a dry fly, and nonetheless on the anzel. Oh man, that fish is fishy, if you want to call it that. Fishy. Beautiful little fish. Hey, little friend. It's quite an urban environment. There's a whole canal down there with no fish in it. They specifically try to keep fish out of it because they drain it. It's got a channel underneath it that flows out. This is the river walk. Always people out in the morning. If you're down here on a bicycle, stay on the gray path. Don't go on the colored path. Colored path is for pedestrian only. Walking, not for bicycling, skateboarding, or anything. So we're gonna go ahead and dismount as we get closer up here to the bridge, because the bridge is a double path. Walking and cycling, but we'll go ahead and walk and take a look at all these sculptures that they've installed on the little island out there. A couple deer, some geese, some ducks, turkeys, bighorn sheep, doves, kinds of stuff out there. Flat water. Well, a little bit ago I mentioned how I lost my rod cap. I replaced it with one of these cork indicators. So don't need to worry about that now. That's cool. I just don't want my rod to fly out of the tube as I'm riding along. We're gonna get set up and we're gonna hit in amongst this here a little bit. See if we can find something up there on both sides. And then we'll work our way down into this. Maybe do a little poking around. Changed up to the bugger. Chances are we'll either catch something or we'll get some garbage. One of the two. Fish. Come here. Oh, got a tree up here. A fish down below. A tiny little devil. He's hungry though. Beautiful little rainbow. Get out of here, little buddy. Look, I found somebody's heart. Oh, they love it so much that they just lost it. And now it's out here in the forest. And I'm gonna pop it. And I'm gonna put it in that garbage can right up here. Because it don't need to be out here. Like all balloons. They don't need to be out here. Oh. I'm having a feeling that there's going to be some tiny fish up there. That one just broke me off. just lost the bugger to some fish up there, so we just tied on a black stone. So let's just see. I don't know if this is the same fish or not. But I'm willing to get my shoes a little wet to find out. Oh, darn it. The fish was really golden colored. I don't know what that is. Maybe a little carp. Super sad. I just got broke off in there twice. By what? Not a dang clue. Here we are tied up a third time, different pattern. First one was a bugger, second one was a stonefly, third one is just a black leech. And I don't know what we're gonna have to do to try to get a fish out of here and keep it on without breaking us off. Boy, there's some feisty fish up there in that spot. Need this one to turn around so he can get out of my net. Later, friend. Man. It's getting difficult to fool them up there. Besides, I'm just getting stinky like this net. Tiny bass. Later, friend. Alright, switched up to a size 20 dry fly. First cast. That was a CDC dry fly, by the way. The most dangerous fly in the world. Come on, freaking de-hooking device. Come on. We got 10 seconds. Off the hook. Oh, now we got the de-hooking device stuck in the net. And there goes that rainbow. Later, buddy. 10 seconds. Like that, no more than hit the water and that fish hit it. Wonderful. Running out of time here because the pesticide man is making his way. So we'll just hit where the fish are. Obviously there's one sitting there. Looks like there may be one back by that rock, all the way straight back in that hole. That fish chased it. You darn fish. What have you done? Are you off the hook finally? Yeah, you're off the hook. But you got my de-hooking device all wrapped up in the dang net. Later, friend. And my hook in the net too. Don't flick that stuff on me, buddy. Off the hook. Get out of here. Little fat friend. Well, that's going to be it from the adventure today. We got the guy over here spraying pesticides or whatever on all this grass that drains directly off into this river. So we're going to go ahead and wrap it up and get out of the way because I don't want the stuff on me either. And it's been a surprising day out with the keiryu anzel. What did we get? Bunch of green sunfish, bunch of trout, that one large size carp for the keiryu rod, but still small size carp. Even got a couple smaller bass if I can find them through the footage. But it's been good on dry flies and leech patterns. Even got broke off a couple times, which is just rarities and stuff. So like, it's been a day and a half of just catching all kinds of good stuff and having a great adventure out with this rod. So hopefully you guys like this video. Subscribe and drop a comment below and let me know how everything goes. And put some suggestions out there too. Well, thank you for watching.